Hello people, it is like 12:30 in the afternoon as I'm recording this, because actually now I've begun really putting a lot of effort into this Instagram, writing these short little pieces and posting it. So I've realized creativity is such that either you can channel it in this direction or in that direction. I mean, it's difficult to do many things simultaneously, and so that's the whole thing. But for me now, I want to at least touch 50 people. I've covered 50 people. Right now it's 41 people I've covered, I think. Another 9 people to go, and it would be 50 people covered on Instagram with regard to writing a short piece on them. So please check it out, people. You can find me on Instagram by typing Amrita Suresh111, and that's my ID. And then you'll find these 50 different people I've written about. I will complete writing about 50 people by the end of this lockdown. I was hoping 100, but even 50 is a good start. So it's already a 1-minute video. On that note, I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.